is colorful time, and we have this light orangey color, so I'm thinking those. Okay, we can work with this. We can do it. And I mean, I'm not gonna bother like putting orange first. Like, oh, okay, cool. Until we find out this last one. That was pretty good. That reminds me of Perry the Platypus, but you know, not without his little hat. So Dr. Doof would be like, a platypus? Perry the Platypus? Like that. I can't do the voice right, though. Also, my throat's like, a little bit. Okay, so red is last. So it's orange, something, white, red. Time to find the something. Blue, orange, blue, white, red. That was pretty good. How did you do today?